I recently got a new mower, and one thing I learned after having my previous mower for 19 years was that I could have taken better care of it. In fact, one thing I had to do on my previous mower was replace the entire mower deck because it literally rusted to pieces. And I may have been able to prevent that if I had cleaned it and maintained it better. But it's just so inconvenient and difficult to get up under there and do that. I want to take better care of my new mower, so I bought a mower lift. This is the MoJack 550. And before I show you how it works, here's the unboxing. The MoJack 550 has a lifting capacity of 550 pounds and a lifting height of 26 inches. There's a similar model called the MoJack HDL 500, which has a lifting capacity of 500 pounds and a lifting height of 24 inches. The design and operation between the two models is exactly the same. Like the box said, there really is no assembly required. You just put these wheel stops into place, and you can see that the holes are offset toward the rear of the jack, so that makes them side specific. Install the wheel stops, put your safety pins in place, add the safety straps, and you're ready to go. To lift the mower, just line up the jack with your front tires, get your safety straps in position, and then just roll it into place. You can push it, or I like to pull it. That way I can put my feet here, and that keeps the jack from moving. Be sure to disengage your mower transmission, as the rear wheels need to move freely during the lifting process. Bring the safety strap across the top of the tire, hook it into place, give it a good solid tug, and you're set. Now you're ready to lift. Put the handle into the bottle jack and start pumping. I'm sure you've noticed these pieces of 2x4s I have in the wheel stops. On this particular mower, without them, the jack contacts the mower deck support bracket at full height. As the lift is being raised, you'll notice the locking bar dropping into position at 3 different places. These are at 18 inches height, 21 inches, and at full height, 26 inches. When the lift reaches full height, lower it slightly and allow the locking bar to drop into the 26-inch safety position. To lower the jack, first give it a couple of pumps to raise it and disengage the safety bar. Step on the rear of the safety bar to raise it up out of position. Take the handle, which is slotted on the bottom to fit over this knob. Then turn the knob counterclockwise to loosen it. The jack will descend slowly, no matter how far you open the valve, although only about a half a turn is necessary. So there you have it, the MoJack 550. Now, of course, I haven't used this very much yet, but my first impression is very favorable. I think it's well designed. It seems to be very well constructed, of heavy gauge, durable material, and I have no doubt it's going to make my mower maintenance much easier. If you found this information helpful, or just enjoyed watching the video. Be sure and hit the like button. That tells YouTube to recommend this to more viewers. And if you appreciate this type of content, you might consider subscribing to my channel. But in any case, I hope that you're back soon for another video.